Hi everybody, I'm Dr. Branch and this is my nurse Lauren, and thank you so much for joining us for our spring open house.
Hey, this is Dr. Gil Kingman, and our 4 o'clock segment is Botox Rocks. Come and find out all about Botox, how it works, who's a candidate for it, and how it can improve your look here at the Vista.
Hey, this is Andy Schneider, one of the doctors at Precise Plastic Surgery. Welcome to our spring open house, our first ever virtual event. We really appreciate you tuning in and watching some of our videos and interacting with our staff. Obviously, if you have any questions, you want to follow up on something, just give us a call at our office number or text us or just go online and info at Precise Plastic Surgery. There are a lot of different ways you can contact us. We look forward to hearing from you and seeing us not virtually in our office.
Hey everybody, this is Dr. George Lawson. We're excited you're here for our first virtual open house. Welcome.
Hey guys, it's Danielle here, and I want to welcome you to our very first virtual spring open house. We're so excited. So the way to get access to all these great savings is to go to our new online store. If you just go to our website, you'll find access to it.
Hey everybody, it's Trish at the Vista Precise Plastic Surgery. Welcome to our spring open house.
Well, welcome to the Vista Spring Open House. We're glad to have you.
Up next at 10 a.m. are our Beauty Award winners. Join us.